Violin myths, true or false? We will ask you a question and you will have a few seconds to decide if it is true or false. Ready? Let's go! The violin and fiddle are two different instruments. This is false. The violin and fiddle are the same instrument. Violins come in only one size. This is false. Violins range in sizes to the very small 1/64th size all the way up to the full size or 4/4. Violin bow rosin is made from tree sap. This is true. A violin can only play classical music. This is false. A violin or fiddle can be played on all styles of music, including bluegrass, Cajun, country, and of course, classical. If you like what you're watching, please press subscribe as this helps our channel grow.